how to schedule a shoot through RETO's client portal. So you'll see that we are logged in to our client portal and we are just on our main Your Projects page. If you're not seeing this, you'll just click up at Your Projects on the very top and it'll bring you to this page. So to start a new project, we're going to click this New Project button up here at the top. And you'll see it sends us to our first order details page. This is where we'll just start filling in our information. So we'll put in our street address of the listing that we need photos for. I'm just going to fill in the rest of these details. Oregon. Great. For this, we're going to treat it as you, the agent, is meeting us, or we just don't have a gate or a lockbox code, so I'm just going to skip that one. I'll put our square footage in, our beds, and our baths. This one doesn't have a significant lot size, so we're just going to skip that as well. All this information is dependent on whether it applies or not. So if you don't have it, feel free to skip it. Main thing that we need is this address and then our square footage. I will also go ahead and skip list price and MLS. In special instructions, we like to put our main concerns are whether it's occupied or vacant. So for this one, I'll just put occupied. I will meet the photographer on site, so agent will meet you for access. And then we're also going to put our live date, which in this case is the 31st for this shoot, or sorry, the 30th for this shoot. This is all optional. If you don't give it to us right away, we'll probably follow up and ask for it. So if it's on your mind, feel free to fill it in. From here, we have all our important details filled in. So we're just going to press save and continue. And then this will bring us to our package page. So here is where we get to pick out kind of what services we're wanting. You'll see there's 3 main packages, and so this is kind of standard for all listings. So you'll see just our standard photos, our photos and standard video, or photos and Matterport. Even if you want the premium upgrades, you'll still have to select the standard base models first. So in this tutorial, let's say that we're going with photography and Matterport, so I'm just going to choose this package right here. And you'll see our package is chosen and it automatically sends us to additional services. In additional services, this is where we can pick any other service that we may want. For example, you can click your single page websites. This is where if you'd want that premium photo option, you can select it right here. You'll also see there's a couple other add-on features, so feel free to select those as well for whatever you're looking for. In this case, we're wanting premium photos, a website, and then I also wanted to add these aerial photos here. Just to walk you through a couple other options that we have here. For example, in our package, we chose photos in Matterport. However, if I also wanted a video, I can add it in the standard motion video. Do note that if you selected video with your package, then you don't need to do it as an add-on service. Same thing with Matterport here. Our floor plans, we do have a few options. If you are purchasing a Matterport, then we can just go with the $75 floor plan with a Matterport order. However, if you want a floor plan without the Matterport model, then it would be these options right here. And so it just goes by square footage. This is mainly for a reshoot if you need us to go back out after the shoot or if you have an outbuilding. Marketing tools are some additional things. Headshots. Most of our headshots are scheduled through email, but feel free to do it through here as well. Twilight photos, if it's just an edit, you can add them on, no problem. If it is a twilight and sunset shoot, you can select this and then we will follow up to schedule that sunset shoot time since it is a little bit different than our normal daytime hours. You'll see we have some social media options here, our virtual staging as well, which goes by photo, so we adjust the price afterwards. And that is basically all we need for that. Okay, so once we have all our add-ons, we're just going to click save and continue. And then this is where we're then going to put select our shoot date. You'll see that our scheduler does a really nice job of being able to show all the open possible times. And so we can go to next week and kind of see what times we have open there. And you'll see there's a lot more options than this week. So this is where you can go to your desired day and then select a time. So for this, let's choose Tuesday the 4th at 8 a.m. And it will tell me my estimated duration, and then I will just confirm there. The very last step that it'll show you is to pay. If essentially to book the shoot, we do need payment up front, so you'll just put your card information here. If you do have any questions about the payment, this is all saved as where we are now. So if you do have any questions before you run payment, feel free to just click out of this page and send us an email. But if everything looks good to go, then you can just submit your payment and you are all confirmed. And that covers how to schedule your shoot via the client portal. Thanks.